Hey y'all, so first of all, I do want to say this video is supposed to be much longer, but I lost a lot of the footage that I got from this workout. So I'm just going to show y'all 3 key workouts I do in my leg routine, and these are specific to the glutes. And if you have resistance bands, that's literally all you need. So for my first workout, I'm going to do some donkey kicks. This one is very good for glute isolation. When I say glute isolation, I mean consciously focusing on the muscle group that you're trying to grow. So right now, I'm trying to grow my glutes, so that's called glute isolation, because every single rep that I do, I'm making sure to flex that muscle as much as I can. And for this exercise, I'm going to do 20 reps 3 times. So my next workout is going to be hip abductions. Usually this workout is done sitting on your butt, but when I do it in the gym, I kind of lean forward on the machine. So I feel like laying on my back gives me the same type of range when it comes to, again, glute isolation. And I don't know why, but I'm able to flex my glute muscles way better. And same as before, 20 reps 3 times. But again, you're going to really want to focus on those glutes, because that is exactly what is going to get that booty popping. So this last one, I wouldn't call them side lunges, but it's kind of like a side lunge without moving your feet. So you're basically just swaying side to side instead. I love this workout and I recently discovered it. And what I love about it is that you can always feel the burn. And if your stance is kind of off, or if like you're not staying low enough, you can feel the difference. So you kind of know when you're doing it right, because if you're not feeling that burn, then you want to make sure you're being more conscious of your form, because at the end of the day, that's really what matters. That's what's going to grow your muscles. And yeah, so I'm just going to do 15 reps on each leg, which adds up to basically 30 total, and I'm going to do this 3 times. So yeah, this is the last workout I have for y'all. Hopefully this inspired you to go work out or inspired you to try something new. I know I'm always looking for new workouts that'll, enhance my routine. That's what gets the thing going. You're supposed to do new workouts every so often to see results. So again, I hope y'all gained something from this video. Please like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel so I can bring y'all more content. Love y'all.